Hey everybody, I wanted to take video of the process that I did here, but I forgot. So what I'm doing is I'm working on installing my new Tern Overland windows for the van. And there's this flange that has to fit on the inside and the window fits on the outside. You have to cut a hole in the van that will fit the perimeter of the window. So what I did is I used cardboard, actually from the box that the window came in. And I just basically traced the outline of this inner part of the flange right here, not the outside, but the actual inner side. And it was kind of a pain actually, because the depth of this angle to get in here to draw a line was really, really hard. So what I ended up using was actually some Dicom, which is just for marking metal. And what I did is I taped the frame down, and then I used a small paintbrush and I traced the line around with the Dicom, which you can see leaves kind of a mark all the way around on the flange here, or on the template. And that allowed me to basically take a razor blade and just slowly but surely cut my way around. And it ended up making almost a perfect, on the first try, a perfect line. It lined up perfectly. So it's a little bit tight right now, but once I cut it into the van, it should be perfect. So I'm pretty excited about that. So the next step is I need to make basically some wood casement that goes around in between here, and then I can adhere that to the inside of the van. And once that's done, then I can actually install the window. So pretty excited. Took a lot longer than I expected though, but so far so good.